Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. I'm going to be making something, I don't know if it exists or not, but I'm just going to kind of wing it. Fried chicken, which I know you're probably saying already, like, wait, that's just fried chicken, dude. And you're right. Admittingly, I couldn't think of anything else to chicken fry this week. I was throwing some ideas around. Ultimately, I decided just to do it this way and see how it works. So yeah, I'm making fried chicken, kinda. As you saw, I've already been doing some of the prep work. So, got my oil heating up. I need to fillet out my chicken real fast, so I can, I guess, in flour with seasoning, slap your mama, garlic, and a little bit of paprika. Then we're gonna throw in the egg wash, and then so it's flour, egg wash, and then it's a mixture of panko and flour, so it's half and half. But why not? Let's try that. So let's get to the chicken. All right, we'll move on. So I get some mushrooms going here because I want to do a mushroom gravy. So these are actually getting pretty close. So I'll get a bowl ready to put them in. Actually, they might already be done. So let's chill the burner for now. Get those mushrooms out. This is gonna. I'm gonna make chicken gravy in here, but I want to get to the chicken real quick because I want to get it started to fry. And I think I'm already running behind on it now. We're gonna rewrap this. So this is going to be tomorrow's dinner too. Alright. So I'm using a chicken breast this time and not a thigh. And what I want to do is I want to fillet this guy out. Which I'm not really great at filleting. The knife is great, but my skill in doing so is not. Of course, having now said that, I might nail it. And I did. So there you go. I guess I just have to tell myself, you're not good at this, and then you nail it, and you go, oh, look, no, I'm wrong. All right. Okay, let's clean my hands real quick. I'm gonna temp the oil real quick. Make sure the oil is up to temp. Turn on my Insta-Read thermometer. It's probably not even the correct. Yep, it's 350, so set that aside. So let's go, I'll go through the dredging process with you. Get these in the fryer. So, seasoned flour. It's actually going to be some pretty big chicken breast too. And then egg wash, which is just a beaten egg with some a little bit of water. Get this batter over the chicken. And I'm gonna drop this guy right into the oil. I need to check my potatoes too, make sure they're not boiling up to mush. I want to wait. I'll let you guys watch it dance in the oil for a while. Clean my hands real quick. Yeah, I want to make sure I have even cooking, so I'm going to flip this one guy. Oops, some batter came off. Those actually look pretty nice. Alright, because I need oil for the gravy, I'm just going to grab a couple spoonfuls right out of the pan. And then get this on. I already have chicken stock here, so I'm going to make gravy. And what do I do with it? I had a whisk. Oh. Yeah. I don't want to make a ton of gravy, so... And I tell you what, when you start making your own gravy, like once you make your own gravy, it's really hard to go back to packet gravy. Alright, we'll put the mushrooms back in. I still gotta taste this and check the seasoning, but it looks good. Turn the heat down on this, down below. I need to... Those look really good. I'm pleased with the color. Really pleased. Oh, potatoes are done. I'm not really going to do much special with the potatoes because I'm just going to throw some butter on them. And let that melt all over it. I gotta pull that chicken and check it. So, go ahead and do that. I got stuff literally everywhere. Thermometer. Really should get some bigger tongs if I'm going to be frying. I mean, I'm getting my hands really close. So, I got to make sure it's up to temp. So, because it's chicken, I don't want to get sick. Because getting sick is bad times. Oh. It's temping pretty well, actually. I think we may have a winner here. It's this one went in afterward. It's climbing up in the temperature range, so potatoes are done. Nice consistency in the gravy, which I still haven't seasoned. There should be a little carryover as it sits as well, so I'm going to go ahead and turn the heat off. Yeah, temp's coming up nice. Alright, while the chicken is resting, I need to season. Just got a little rosemary I'm going to put on my potatoes. Like I said, there's nothing in here but butter right now. You got to butter your potatoes. I think it's mandated by law. Some black pepper. Some getting all over the stove, but whatever. Little sea salt. Not try not to put too much in. Really happy with that gravy consistency. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. And my vegetables are still steaming. Okay, let's get this guy plated up so we get a nice piece of chicken with the stuff falling apart. Thanks for doing that. A little greasy, but it's alright. We got some potatoes. These are just boiled potatoes. Nothing, literally nothing fancy about them. And then I had a spoon. I want to just dump the gravy all over. I don't want to actually spoon it on. With mushroom gravy. I got a little extra. I'll throw it on the potatoes. I'll go check my vegetable real quick. All right, I'm going to try to do a close-up of a cross-section cut, so you guys can see the hopefully white, tender inside of the chicken. And there you go. Alrighty. I actually took that bite off camera, but I'll nice tender white chicken. Get a bite of potato. Grab a bite of vegetable. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna sit down and eat. I'll bring it back. Alright, well, I'll tell you what. Clean plate. I ended up eating both of them. Really good. You know, maybe not totally traditional because I used panko batter, but you know what? It was still tasty. So, in fact, I ate everything I made. Now I gotta clean up my mess, but hey, it's all good. Just the joys of cooking. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the links in the description. I got the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday and also Shovelhead H channel as well. Good dude. Alright. Catch you next one. Peace out.